Since 1984, ChildFund, a child-focused international development organization, has been operating in the Gambia to connect children with the people, resources, and institutions they need to grow up healthy, educated, skilled, and safe. Delivered through 3 local implementing partner organizations operating in 32 community associations across 9 districts, our programs address the underlying conditions that prevent any child or youth from achieving their full potential. In our previous strategy 2019 to 2021, we reached over 250,000 children and family members directly every year with programs on early childhood development, education, health and nutrition, child protection, advocacy, household economic strengthening, water sanitation and hygiene, food security, emergency response, climate change adaptation, and resilience building. In our new strategic plan, 2022 to 2026, our goal is to contribute to the improved health, education, skills, and safety of 500,000 children, youth, and their families annually by implementing quality and impactful programs and sponsorship. We intend to raise over 125 million Gambian Dalasis to implement this plan. We will achieve this goal through the following strategic objectives. Ensure infants and young children aged 0 to 5 years in marginalized and resource-poor households and communities are healthy and secure. Improve the knowledge, skills, and relationships of children, caregivers, and educators to reduce and respond to risk factors that lead to violence in schools and communities. Enhance children's literacy and numeracy skills. Ensure youths are trained in livelihood development and life skills and are committed to making positive changes in their families and the communities they live in. Strengthen formal and informal child protection systems and advocacy. Reduce food and absolute poverty through sustained community livelihood activities. Reduce deforestation and carbon dioxide emissions. Raise disability awareness among communities. These objectives will contribute to the achievement of ChildFund International's Global Growing Connection Strategy goal to reach over 100 million vulnerable children and family members annually and the Sustainable Development Goals. To scale our programs for greater and wider reach, we will adopt improved program models, enhance digital program delivery, invest in innovation to transform our donor engagement, strengthen monitoring and evaluation, accountability and learning, enhance networking and partnership building with key stakeholders, increase our financial health through the acquisition of high-value grants. In addition, we will integrate child protection, gender and social inclusion in all programming and link local-level advocacy with national and global advocacy. Working with our 3 co-partners, Fonyi Ding Ding, Sama Cairo, and Ding Ding Yiriwa Federations, we will continue to implement our sponsorship program in the West Coast region and expand to the Lower River region. We will also continue to support communities living in the Central River region, North Bank region, and Upper River region through grant-funded projects, non-sponsorship projects, and gift-in-kind projects. Furthermore, we will continue our advocacy initiatives at the national level to impact on all children and youth across the country. To enhance staff capacity for program effectiveness, we will advance our culture of magic, meaning, autonomy, growth, impact, and connection, and diversity, equity, and inclusion. We can only achieve these objectives by working with other like-minded entities. Therefore, we will work with a diverse portfolio of partners including children, families and communities, local implementing partner organizations, national and regional governments, the private sector, faith-based organizations, civil society organizations, United Nations agencies, multilateral and bilateral donors. In this regard, we ask you to join us on this ambitious journey to connect 500,000 children and youth with the people, resources, and institutions they need to grow up healthy, educated, skilled, and safe. Join us today.